McKenna Brown.
Hi everybody, we are here with McKenna Brown, my daughter, and we are getting ready to try the new Revair hair dryer on her hair. A little information about Miss McKenna. She does have, well, she's on the autistic spectrum. I'll see how this does. She doesn't love having her hair blow dried, so we're gonna see how this does and if she likes it better. And yeah, what do you think? Are you excited? Hey, look at me. Say, are you excited?
Yep.
All right, here we go. Turn it on. Okay, ready? Put your hair in there. Okay. How's that? I'm back with McKenna. McKenna, what did you think of the hairdryer?
Great.
Great? Did you like it better than the other one?
Yeah.
Yeah? Did it hurt?
No.
Was it hot?
Yes.
Just a little hot?
Yeah.
But didn't hurt?
No.
No? Okay. Okay, tell everybody to say thanks, Revair.
Thanks, hair.
Revair.
Revair. Yes, hair. Bye. Bye-bye.